Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Salesforce task creation from Gmail using Einstein detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Salesforce task creation from Gmail using Einstein, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Next, ensure you have the correct permissions to access Einstein Activity Capture. Now, navigate to the Setup menu in Salesforce. In the Quick Find box, type Einstein Activity Capture and select it. Once on the Einstein Activity Capture page, check if it is enabled. If not, click on Settings and toggle the option to enable it. After enabling, look for the Email Integrations section. Here, you will need to connect your Gmail account. Click Connect and follow the prompts to authorize Salesforce access to your Gmail. Make sure to select the appropriate email settings during this process. Once your Gmail is connected, return to the Einstein Activity Capture settings. Now, locate the Task and Event Sync settings. Ensure that tasks are set to be synced with Salesforce. Next, navigate to the Email to Salesforce section. Here, you can customize how emails are logged into Salesforce. To create a task directly from an email, open your Gmail. Select the email you want to create a task from. Once opened, look for the Salesforce icon within your Gmail interface. Click the icon, and a prompt will appear. Here, choose the option to create a new task. Fill in the necessary details for the task, such as subject and due date. Assign the task to the appropriate Salesforce user or record. Once you've completed the form, click Save to create the task. Your new task will now sync to Salesforce automatically. To verify, log back into Salesforce and check the Tasks and Events section. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Salesforce task creation from Gmail using Einstein. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.